What's up, guys? We're gonna work on pulling the motor on Falkor today, and thought we'd shoot a little video while we're doing it. You know, shits and giggles, whatnot. Yeah, so we're gonna get after it here. We got the one side headers loose. Now we're gonna see if we can get the other side loose and go from there. Yeah, we'll do a little time lapse shoot, kind of go back and forth. Oh, bam! Pulling out the old 383 stroker. We're gonna put it in a 406. We're gonna put the blower back on it, and then a shot of nitrous too. So this little girl's coming out. She's a good motor. It's fun. But, time to step up power a little bit. Time to step up power a little bit. Yeah, I do agree. I do agree. Let's see here. What'll be a fun spot for you guys? Come on now. Come on, Gina. Do a little bit and do some cutting, editing, filling with nothing heavy. Nothing heavy. Trying to knock you off. Trying to knock you off. You know, shit like that. But hey, if you do things right and Annie sees the shit, it comes out so nice. So nice and so easy. I tell you what, hell man, I have no big exhaust. That fucker was loose right there. It was. You put this on there. Fire! Oh shit, that was me. Ching ching, don't you love tight quarters? There you go, fingers, you know. Start working it out. I don't know. What would you guys do with this truck if you had it? What kind of motor would you do in it? What kind of combo? I don't know, comment like below. Tell me what you think. I'd like to hear it. Everybody's got ideas of what they think would be cool and what wouldn't. Yeah, that definitely was a leak right there, that's for sure. See the carbon on the freaking exhaust bolt. Look at that. Right there. It's leaking. Wondering why it's going at idle. You definitely hear it when it does it. Yeah, what kind of combo would you guys throw on this thing? Comment below. Let me know. I'd love to know. The only bummer part about filming is you can't have radio on. You don't have the rights to it. So you gotta just kind of play it in your head and then go back and maybe put some music to it. I don't know. I always work better when there's music, but I don't want to get a copyright strike. You know how that goes. Kind of kills your channel. I'm trying to build it up here so we can bring more action for you guys. Let's see where this truck evolves to in a few years. Because the way the EPA is going, who knows, man. We might only have 5-10 years of this stuff left. If we fight back hard enough, though, I think we might have another good 10-15 years. I hope so. I mean, I love this sport. Ain't another sport in the world like this. Come on, baby. Come on, Gina. Hang in there a second. Bam. One exhaust. Off. Oh, yeah. Big exhaust leak. There's blow by in right there. But we were rushing to put the motor in to go up Firebird for locals only, and the No Prep Kings when the Street Outlaws were here. It was a mad dash. Got the call on Wednesday, pulled the motor Thursday. I had to be up there at Friday. 5:30 we left in the morning, I think it was, so we can get there by 9. And yeah, that was a mad dash. I tell you what, guys, I really do. Okay, that one's off. I should probably pull plugs too, just so we don't bust them on the way out on the headers. Just a good idea, I think. Let's pop these off. Bang, bang, ba-dang, dang, dang. Dang, 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 dang. And do I got my spark plug socket right here? No, where you go? Son of a bitch. Okay. There we go. Oh shit. Damn. Earthquake. I never did check these. Had a pretty good tune on it when we was running it. We left it, but I should probably always check. Kind of slack on doing that once in a while. They'll stub on off. switch. A little carbon fouling actually. Interesting. Interesting. We were playing on the safe side. I did not want to blow anything up. Makes for good TV, but it's hard on the pocketbook. Y'all know. Y'all know. Hot rodding's not cheap. Going fast is not cheap. For some reason, I spend every gal dang dime trying to do it. Hey, I'm down. I am down. Let's go. Let's go. Alrighty guys, we got everything disconnected. About ready to yank the motor out of Falkor. And yeah, hopefully all goes well. Let's see what we can do here. That PV, if you will, of the motor ball. Lower the crane. Lowering the crane. Beep, 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 beep. And bam, we got the engine out of Falkor. 383 stroker did good. Sure did. With the old center force clutch. Still looks pretty good. We'll see what it looks like when we pop it off here. Yeah. Rock and roll. Not bad guys, not bad. We're gonna get this bad boy mounted up on the engine stand so we can do some work on the engine bay. And clean up some holes in the firewall. And tidy up some wiring through the weight reduction. And yeah, boom, 388 out. Make room for the 406. This way we'll be able to throw a full boost at it and 300 shot nitrous too, because we ain't gonna be running the high flow pistons. We'll have forged crank, forged pistons, H-beam rods, roller cam, you know, the works. We gonna send it. Falkor gonna fly.